Hello children, today's session we'll learn with this chapter number 15, that is can, may, should and must. In the previous session we completed chapter number 3 and 6, which contained WH words, questions, apostrophes and possessives. Right. In this chapter, the first letter, if you can see, can. This we have learned last year. What is can? The things, or where is can used? The things we can talk about, or we can do, or to ask something. Right? Things जो हम कर सकते हैं. I can write, I can speak, I can dance, I can sing. And opposite cannot or can't. Can't or cannot are the things which are telling you about something which you cannot do. I cannot drive car. I cannot fly aeroplane. I cannot swim. Clear? So underline this red box. We use can to talk about the things we can do or to ask something. For example, अगर मैं बोलूँ this example, to ask something, can I take your pencil? Can I take your eraser? Can I get my bottle? Right? When you ask something, आप मैम से पूछते हो, may I come in? Can I come in? So this can is also used as the question form. We use cannot or can't. See, cannot का short form is can't, CAN''T. We use cannot or can't to talk about something that is not possible, right? जो नहीं हो सकता है या हमसे नहीं हो सकता है. We don't know how to do, right? It can't be possible. चलिए, very easy. Let us jump to the exercise. Filling the blanks with can or cannot. Henry is a trained mountaineer. Mountaineer माने जो mountain की चढ़ाई करता है, right? But dash he climbed Mount Everest? Question mark. It is a question, so we will write here CAN. Can. Make sure that you are making this C small, right? The police have surrounded the building. The thief dash escape, right? Police has surrounded the building, so the thief cannot or can't. Whatever आपका choice, you can write both the answers, cannot या can't. James is teaching his sister to ride a bike. James dash ride a bike, but his sister dash, right? वो उनको सिखा रहा है बाइक चलाना. That means James can ride a bike, but his sister cannot. Then I dash unlock the door. I can't. मेरे से ये नहीं हो रहा, मैं दरवाज़ा खोल नहीं पा रही हूँ. I cannot unlock the door. Dash you come and help me. Can, यहाँ पे C would be capital. Can you come and help me, right? Now, question number 2 on page 76. Look at the pictures, write a sentence for each using the given word in the bracket. माने आपको ये picture use करके you have to write this sentence with using this word and this picture. Suppose a baby cannot swim. The squirrel can climb the tree. The dog can swim in the water. I cannot play the piano. These are some examples. इसके अलावा whatever comes to your mind regarding these pictures and relating with this word, you have to write this. So take it and mark it as HW. Very easy, right? चलिए, move to next. May or may not. Again the same thing. May is used to talk something which is possible and to ask permission. When you come inside the classroom, we ask, may I come in? Can I drink water? So these are words जो question पूछने के लिए use होते हैं, right? तो underline this red box. We use may to talk about something that is possible and to ask for permission politely. We also use may to give permission. You may go and drink water. You may, when I give permission, I tell you, you may drink water, you may sit down, you may stand up. May is some polite version of asking a question, right? So we use may not to talk about something that is not possible and to refuse permission. You may not go out. It is raining. You may not talk because I want silence in the class. So may and may not. Underline this. Again it asks permission, but it is polite permission. And may not is for to refusal of the permission. Chalo, now come to the exercise 3. May or may not. dash I come in please, easy. may, first letter M would be capital. may I come in please, आप हमेशा मैम से पूछते before coming into class. I have finished all my work, dash I go now, may I go now, again may M would be capital because यहाँ पे full stop है, right. चलिए next, don't believe everything she says, it dash be true. Don't believe everything whatever she says, it might not be true, or it may not be true. may, may, not, not, may not be true. There is a lot to do, I dash be late for home from work. I have so much of work, I may be, मैं शायद late हो जाऊँगा, I may be late. The roads are empty today, it dash take as long as I had expected, right. जो मेरी expectations थी, जो traffic का sense था, आज कम है. So it may not take the time, I would rather reach early, right. So it may not take as long as I had expected, may not, right. चलिए, now after completing this exercise, may and may not, again exercise number 4 would be your HW. Very easy exercise, may या may not लगा के आंसर लिखने हैं. Complete the sentences using may or may not. There are some dark clouds in the sky, it may rain. Emma and Sarah are both traveling to London next month, they may meet. I am not hungry at all, I may not eat. Try this new dish I have made, you may like it, right. Very easy. Chaliye, now coming to the next part of the chapter, should and should not. Children, these are some very casual words that we generally use in our day to day life. हम ये सारी चीज़ें पढ़ चुके हैं, बोलते हैं स्कूल में, during the conversation, during our talks and all, right. should या should not. You should not do this, you should do this. It is should or should not are basically they are giving you options, or you can say suggestions. As you can see in the red box, we use should and should not to make suggestions. They are also used to talk about the right or the important thing to do. Underline this, we use should or should not to make suggestions. They are also used for the right or the important thing to do. You should do this, you should not do this. हम हमेशा टीचर्स बोलते हैं you should work hard, you should not tell lie, right. So this are things which we correctly आपको समझाते हैं. Now come to the question number exercise number 5. Take the correct option. Very easy. You should or should not cheat during exam. आप ही बताइए, cheating करनी चाहिए exam में? No. So you should not cheat, right. You should or should not use the phone while crossing the road. You should not use the phone while crossing the road. Next page. You should or should not be rude to them. आपको rude होना चाहिए. Rude is the one who is not soft spoken or who is not polite, right. We should not be rude to them. John has a cold, he dash take a medicine. Should or should not take a medicine? Obviously he should take a medicine. Clear? Chaliye, now this next exercise number 6, again take it and mark it as HW. Jack has an exam tomorrow, he should study. You look tired today, you should sleep. Betty has a toothache, she should avoid chocolate. याद रखिएगा, the pronoun which you are using, it should match according to the noun which is given, right. Betty is a female, so here the answer would be she should avoid chocolate. It is chilly outside, you should wear sweater. I am having a headache, I should sleep. Easy. Chaliye, move to the last portion of the chapter, that is must and must not. हमने क्या क्या सीखा? We first of all we studied can, then we studied may, then we studied should, and now it is must. So can, cannot, may, may not, should, should not, and must, must not. Clear? Chaliye, so what is must? We use must and must not to make suggestions that are necessary to be followed. You must not talk in the class, you must do your homework properly, right. ऐसी suggestions जो compulsorily follow करनी है, you have to do this, that suggestions that you have to follow, Alright, underline this red box. We use must and must not to make suggestions that are necessary to be followed. You have to follow that thing. Right? चलिए एक ये भी चीज़ पढ़ लीजिए. Should suggest things that are right or important. Must suggest things that are necessary. Right? We should plant a tree. We should not waste water. These are some suggestions जो सही है या important है. Whereas must is something that आपको एज अ रूल और एज अ नेसेसिटी आपको फॉलो करना है. राइट? यू मस्ट नॉट वेस्ट फूड. यू मस्ट नॉट लीव योर शूज आउटसाइड. क्लियर? दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन शुड एंड मस्ट. चलिए नाउ कम टू द एक्सरसाइज 7. Rewrite these rules using must or must not. One has been done for you. Do not waste your food. You must not waste food. चलिए next one, pay attention when the teacher is speaking. Very known sentence. हम सब बोलते रहते हैं कि जब टीचर पढ़ा रही होते हैं तब आप ध्यान रखना चाहिए. राइट? यू मस्ट लिखिए. यू मस्ट pay attention when the teacher is speaking. You must pay attention when the teacher is speaking. Easy? Right? Chaliye, you must pay attention when the teacher is speaking. Next, hurry up if you want to catch the train. You must hurry. You must hurry up if you want to catch the train. If you want to catch the train. Full stop. Don't forget to write the first letter capital. Right? Chaliye next. Do not cross the road when the traffic light is green. Now यहाँ पे you will use you must or you can write here we must. उसमें भी कोई problem नहीं है. We must not cross the road when the traffic light is green. Right? It is a rule. हालांकि मोरबी में हमारे पास traffic lights है ही नहीं, but then in the cities where there are traffic lights, we must not cross the road when the traffic light is green. Right? Do not have ice cream if you have fever. You must not have ice cream if you have fever. This is a rule that mama आपको हमेशा बोलती रहती है. Do not have ice cream if you have fever. Right? चलिए. So this exercise number 7 is also completed. Now can you see this signs which are here? Do not. You must leave your shoes outside. You must not throw garbage on the roads. You must not eat junk food. You must not click photos. Right? This take it and mark it as HW. This would be your homework. So आज की exercise में I'll recorrect कि हमने क्या क्या पढ़ा. Can, cannot, may not, should not, and must not. The homework would be exercise number 2, 4, 6 and 8 of chapter number 15. Right? Tomorrow we will start with another session. Today, till we meet tomorrow, this is Disha ma'am signing off. Bye bye.